it. I'm just folding the other clothes. I wasn't folding it. I was not going to fold your uniform, Mom. I was going to hang it up. It just came out of the... The dryer just stopped 3 minutes ago.
Well, you still have it in the ball over there. It's material that's going to that.
Just stopped 3 minutes ago.
Just like this fucking house is a fucking mess. They're coming over at 9 o'clock tomorrow. I have to work all night. They're coming over at 9 o'clock. When the fuck am I going to have time to clean it out and move everything? Now. So now I have to spend time cleaning